Hello, Sam here from Student It. I've been doing it for about 2.5 years, and what I do is I help and support students to find good quality housing and accommodation throughout the UK. So I just want to talk to you about how to manage your student bills if bills aren't included within your rent. So there's two things you can do. You can manage them yourself. Only one person can be on the contract, so if there's 5 of you in a house, you only nominate one. And you are the designated bill payer and contracts name on the contract, so you have all the negotiation with all the contracts. So that might be Wi-Fi, water, electricity, and not council tax, TV. If you owe money, you owe it for the whole group, they'll take it out of your bank account. It is then your job to then take it out of other people's and ask them to pay you, which can cause a lot of arguments. So what a lot of students do is they get a bills management company, and what they do is you go to them, you tell them what bills you want, who sort of providers you want, and they'll get you the best deals. They'll set them up for you and they'll manage them for you. Pay a management fee, but what they then do is they individually bill each student. So say it was £100, there's 5 of you, they'll bill each of you £20 a month, including their management fee. So it's dead simple. Nothing doesn't cause any arguments or friction between housemates, which is one of the biggest problems in student housing, and it's all sorted. Remember to like and share this video, and if you want to contact me, go to the website www.student-it.com, and I am plugged in.